नमस्ते, मेरा नाम नुपुर खुराना सदेरा है और ये एनक्योर की जर्नी शुरू करने से पहले आई वुड लाइक टू शो ग्रैटिट्यूड टू माय फैमिली जिसकी वजह से मैं यहाँ पे हूँ। आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन कि आई एम द थर्ड मेंबर from my family visiting the center. Initially, we came for my mother and for her own health concerns. And then my sister visited here for 2 weeks, and अब मैं हूँ, I have completed my 21 days. And my father, he's almost like on a mission. He says like कि बाकी सब आप जाओ and then I'll be the last one to go to the center for his detox journey. So here I am completing 21 days of balancing the imbalance, and I would like to thank my family again for the love and support. My parents, my husband, my sister, my brother, for all the affection they've shown me and for all the concern जो उन्होंने मेरी हेल्थ को एंड ओवरऑल बैलेंस को लेके दिखाया. सो थैंक यू. Coming to Yankyor, it's a beautiful place. ऋषिकेश में है and what more you can ask for जब आप एक नेचर से जुड़ी हुई जगह में होते हैं. And starting with the head of the family, Dr. Praveen Rana ji. He's very professionally sound and expert in his own field. आपको वो चांस देते हैं टू टॉक इट आउट वट एवर यू हैव इट इन यू. जो भी आपके मन में चल रहा है उनसे बात करें एंड ही विल गेट टू नो यू मोर. एंड अकॉर्डिंगली आपके रूटीन्स डिज़ाइन होते हैं, थेरेपीज डिज़ाइन होते हैं, and of course you go through lot of detox and yoga and meditation during this journey of healing. I would come to Akriti Rastogi. She's been a wonderful girl. Uh, बहुत हेल्पफुल एंड बहुत लविंग नेचर है उनका. शी इज़ ऑलवेज स्माइलिंग एंड लाफिंग एंड गिगलिंग एंड शी सपोर्ट्स यू ऑल द वे. एंड आपकी जर्नी बहुत विद ईज निकलती है एंड यू कैन ऑलवेज रीच हर आउट फॉर एनीथिंग which is bothering you, or she'll help you with the things to understand जो आपके लिए probably नहीं है. Secondly, मैं आना चाहूँगी all the therapists I would like to mention, कविता जी, मंजी जी, सागर जी, नितिन जी. They are all absolutely brilliant in their work. जो कविता जी की beautifully done massages हैं, the therapies we go through with her is an amazing experience. कमिंग टू मंजीत जी, उनमें एक मदरली केयर है इन एवरीथिंग ही डज. इवन द एक्यूप्रेशर जो वो देते हैं, इट इज़ सो इम्पैक्टफुल एंड relaxing on your body. At the same time, he will keep asking you, like, are you okay? Are you fine? Everything is comfortable. So, हर चीज़ में उनका जो अप्रोच है वो बहुत मदरली केयर वाला लगा मुझे. एंड ही इज़ एन अमेजिंग पर्सन एट हार्ट. Coming to Sagar ji, he's all in one or all rounder, as he says. He's been a very good therapist, a very good yoga teacher, and a very good friend, I would also mention. He keeps things very light. He always says कि मजाक होते रहना चाहिए so that you don't take things, your healing seriously, and you just follow the process. Coming to Nitin ji, he is very knowledgeable person. बहुत उनके काम में बहुत knowledge and पकड़ है. He knows his work, what he's doing. I would also like to mention our new member to Yankyo, Silky ji. She's an amazing yoga teacher. उनके साथ practice करके yoga asanas and the meditation and the process of feeling your body, feeling your soul, बहुत अच्छा लगा, and it was an amazing experience. And my best wishes to you too, Silky, that you have an amazing journey here and keep growing. Thank you so much. And I wish everybody, every therapist all the best, कि वो हमेशा ऐसे ही अपने काम में बेस्ट करते रहें. एंड एक चीज़ जो हम कभी-कभी मेंशन करना भूल जाते हैं, जो इस जगह को बहुत मेंटेन एंड क्लीन रखते हैं. एंड आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक Pamela जी एंड नीलम जी for taking care of this place so beautifully. Also, last आता है हमारा खाना. So there was one uncle Dharamveer ji. I would like to mention him as well. And Dinesh Bhaiya and Deepak ji, he's amazing in his cooking. So thank you for giving us such a delicious food, जो बहुत healthy है. At the same time, it's not at all boring. तो at the end of 21 days, मैं उन सब लोगों को भी याद करना चाहती हूँ जो यहाँ पे थे. Your healing journey, I believe, is not a journey alone. Yes, you heal by yourself. But जब आप यहाँ पे होते हैं, सबके साथ होते हैं, I feel that healing is something जो हम एक दूसरे को भी करते हैं. It's not just I'm healing myself, but I'm healing others as well, or others are healing me too. So I would like to remember everybody जो यहाँ पे नहीं है, they have completed their journeys already. But उन सबको भी मैं एक memory में याद करना चाहूँगी आज in this video. And send all my love and blessings to everybody, जिनकी वजह से I think I've come to this final day. And I hope I'm not forgetting anybody. All the love and all the blessings to everybody at Yencure. And we say that when you surrender to the universe, वो आपको इतना देते हैं that you cannot imagine in your dreams as well. तो आपकी expectations से भी ज़्यादा आपको मिलता है. So this is how I have experienced Yancure. And uh, you find your peace, you find your balance, you find your happiness. आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम है चाहे नहीं है, you can always visit this place, and you will take a lot more. The peace, happiness, more importantly, yourself. Connecting to yourself is very important, and I guess this is why we are here, connecting to the nature and finding your balance and in life, and that's it. So you can always visit to Yancure to find peace and to find you. So Yancure is waiting. Thank you so much.